Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can make PrivacyWall your default search engine, for example, on Google Chrome. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is you don't need to head over to privacywall.org because all you need to do here on Chrome is simply access your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner on Chrome, head over to settings here at the bottom, and inside your browser settings, take a look at the panel of tabs here on the left hand side. So what you want to do is head over to search engine, and as you can see, the current search engine I'm using is Google, but you may change it, for example, by clicking on the change button here to the right and simply pick PrivacyWall from that list below. As you can see, you need to scroll a little bit further down because it is a little bit hidden here. So click it or select that circle here on the right hand side and confirm by clicking on set as default, and that is going to make PrivacyWall your default search engine here on Chrome. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.